welcome back to my channel. I'd like to introduce you to my company, Beluxxia Beauty. They're not just lashes, it's a state of awareness. Be confident and live glamorously. Today, I'll show you how to properly clean your lashes and restore them to their beautiful, luxurious finish. Stay tuned to find out how to clean yours. The things that you'll need today will be a spoolie, a pair of very sharp tweezers, and your alcohol. This is a very important step because this will sanitize your eyelashes. So go ahead and spray your eyelashes and then use the side of the Kleenex to dab off the excess alcohol and take out any unwanted dirt. Grip the lash firmly at the lash band and use your spoolie to brush through the lashes to get any eyeshadow, anything that's on the eyelashes, old glue. You want to brush it through the eyelashes and clean them properly. Next, you want to douse the lash band with alcohol. Take your spoolie and brush towards you, away from the end of the lash, but to the band of the lash. Take your tweezers and slowly pull up any glue. Be very careful so that when you take off the old glue, you're not pulling up any part of the lash band. If you see any residual glue, just take your brush, your spoolie, and brush through the lash band once more. This will make it a lot easier for you to grab the second time around. After you've taken all the old glue off and brushed all the debris out of the lashes, you're going to want to place them back in its lash case. After you've placed them in the eyelash case properly, take your spoolie and brush through the eyelashes. This will separate any hairs that are clumped together and also take out any strands that are loose. Gently reshape your lashes by brushing through. Let them dry overnight, or if you're wanting to wear them the same day, it just takes a couple minutes for them to dry. And you're all done. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. And as always, be you and stay glamorous. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.